The African National Congress, or ANC, has been the dominant party in South Africa since the end of apartheid in 1994. They've held a majority in parliament for nearly 3 decades, steering the nation through numerous changes and challenges. But in the latest election results, there's been a historic turn of events. For the first time since its rise to power under Nelson Mandela, the ANC has lost its parliamentary majority. Yes, you heard that right. With more than 99% of the votes counted, the ANC secured just about 40% of the seats. That's significantly short of the majority. What led to this? Well, it seems that a new player on the scene, the Umkhonto we Sizwe party, along with the main opposition, the Democratic Alliance, have chipped away at ANC's influence. Now, why does this matter? The ANC's loss of majority could reshape South Africa's political landscape. They now face a tough choice. Either form a coalition to maintain control or operate as a minority government, which could make passing legislation a real challenge. South Africa's president, Cyril Ramaphosa, despite the threats from former President Jacob Zuma, has praised the Independent Electoral Commission for their handling of the elections and has accepted the results. It's a pivotal moment, signaling a potential shift in how South Africa will be governed moving forward. Opposition parties are calling this a breakthrough moment, a chance to address deep-seated issues like poverty and inequality, which have plagued the nation. The Democratic Alliance's leader, John Steenhuisen, remarked, "The way to rescue South Africa is to break the ANC's majority, and we have done that." What's next for South Africa? The coming months will likely be filled with negotiations and political maneuvering as the ANC looks to form a new government. This isn't just about who holds power, it's about how South Africa evolves from here. That's all for today's video. If you found this analysis helpful, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into global politics. Until next time, stay informed and engaged.